All right, so let's do this one. Okay, so again, we need as half of the coefficient of x. So this is going to be x plus 5, and then we square it. Now we have added the 5 squared, so therefore we need to subtract that. Therefore, it's going to be minus 5 squared and minus 3, which was already there. So this is going to give us x plus 5 brackets squared minus 25 minus 3, which gives us x plus 5 brackets squared minus 28.
Yeah.
Okay, so A is the 5. Minus 5. B is the minus 28. And then we solve this. So again, solving, you can see this function is exactly that function. So all we need is the same as this one.
Yeah.
So we need is x plus 5 brackets squared minus 28 equals 0. And then we add 28 to both sides. Okay. So therefore, it's going to be x plus 5 squared equals 28. And then we take a square root of both sides.